In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort data in the middle of your spreadsheet using Google Sheets on the mobile. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to sort some data in the middle, you won't be able to actually do that on the Google Sheets app like I have right now. If I were to try and sort this range right here, there are no other options that would let me to do so. The only way you can sort your data would be to tap on the column at the top. If you tap on it again, go to the end, and you will see the sort option. But that would sort your entire column. What if I just want to sort this part right here? So there are no other options that this app would give us to be able to do that. So what we can do is to open Google Sheets in the Google Chrome app. Let's go ahead and do that. So I have the Google Chrome app open right now. What I'm going to do is to tap in the search bar right here, then type in sheets.new, tap on go, and here we have it. Now this is not really what we want to see. So to change this, what we're going to do is to request a desktop version or the desktop side, and that's going to be at the ellipsis at the bottom right corner. Tap on that. Swipe up, and request desktop site is right here. So if you tap on that, your screen will reload, and here it is. So before anything else, before you open Google Chrome, make sure that you are already logged in with your Google account so that all of your files will be synced up. So this version is the desktop side. It's the same thing you see if you were working on a computer or on a Mac. So what I'm going to do to open the file that I'm working on would be to tap on that Google Sheets icon on the top left corner. Just tap on that. Here we have it, and the file that I'm looking for is at the top. So I'm just going to tap on it. And here we have it. Now we can work on this spreadsheet as if we were working with it on a computer. So working with Google Sheets on the Google Chrome app can get very glitchy. So some don't really recommend this. So this is just a last resort that you can do if you are really desperate on sorting that data in the middle of your spreadsheet. So go ahead and select the data that you want to sort. So for this example, what I'm going to do would be to select this part right here. Select all the way down. There you have it. Once I've selected the data that I want to sort, what I'm going to do would be to tap on data on the menu bar right here. Then select sort range at the second row. So tap on that. And now we have two options or three options. Sort range by column D, A to Z, ascending order, or sort range by column D, Z to A, descending order. So what I want is to have the lowest budget at the top for this range right here. So I'm going to select A to Z. Tap on that. And there you have it. You've successfully sorted that range in the middle of your spreadsheet by just opening Google Sheets in the Google Chrome app. If there are other things that you need to sort, you can just go ahead and select that range again, then go to Data and select Sort by Range. And there you have it. Now, if we go back to our Sheets app and check what this would look like, there you have it. Now it has updated and sorted that range in the middle of your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.